Guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm gonna share the word of God for this day from the book of John, chapter 15, verse 5. And this is the message of the Lord. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. And this is the message of the Lord that we need to stay connected to the Lord every day of our lives, every day of our daily living. Kailangan natin na lagi tayong nananatili sa ating Panginoong Diyos because siya yung ating puno at tayo ang kanyang mga sanga. Kaya kailangan lagi tayong nakadugtong, nakakonect sa kanyang kapangyarihan. Kasi sabi nga, apart from me, you can do nothing. Wala naman talaga tayong magagawa kapag wala ang Diyos sa ating mga buhay. Yes, may magagawa ka for your own strength, pero hindi yun sapat. Kaya kailangan natin ang ating Panginoon everyday sa ating mga buhay. Kaya naman, always remember, always connect, no? Always talk to the Lord every day, read His Bible, no? And always pray para maranasan natin yung kapangyarihan ng ating Panginoon. Muli, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat at mag-ingat kayong palagi at damhin ang presensya ng ating Panginoon.